Welcome. Today you'll learn how to quickly create a new Google Sheet right from the Google Drive app. Whether you're organizing data, tracking expenses, or starting a new project, Google Sheets makes it easy to collaborate and keep your information accessible from anywhere. Let's get started with the simple steps. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your App Store, download Google Drive, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll spot a round, colorful plus button. This is your gateway to creating new files. Tap the plus button, and a menu will pop up with several options for new files you can create. From the list, select Google Sheets. Instantly, a brand new spreadsheet will open, ready for you to start entering data. You can give your sheet a name right away by tapping on the title at the top. This helps keep your files organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. Once your new sheet is open, you can begin adding your data just like you would on a computer. Enter text, numbers, or formulas in the cells, and use the toolbar at the top for formatting options like bold, italics, or changing cell colors. All your changes are saved automatically to Google Drive, so you never have to worry about losing your work. If you want to share your new sheet with others, tap the share icon at the top. Enter email addresses or copy the link to invite collaborators. You control who can view or edit your sheet, making teamwork seamless and secure. And that's it. In just a few taps, you've created a new Google Sheet from the Google Drive app. This method is perfect for capturing ideas on the go, managing lists, or collaborating with your team anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of Google tools.